Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge on your Mac step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Safari browser on your Mac. In the address bar, type Microsoft Edge, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official link from Microsoft.com. To make things easier, I'll also leave the direct download link in the description below. Once you're on the official Microsoft Edge website, click the Download Edge for macOS button. The installer file will now begin downloading. When the download is complete, open the downloaded file. A new window will appear showing the Microsoft Edge icon and the Applications folder. To install Edge, simply drag the Microsoft Edge icon into the Applications folder. This will copy Microsoft Edge into your Applications folder. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Once it's done, close the installation window. You can then move the installer file to the trash if you'd like. Now let's open Microsoft Edge. Open Finder, then go to Applications. Look for Microsoft Edge and click on it to launch the browser. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open. When you launch Edge for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After that, click Start Browsing. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Edge on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy macOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.